This video demonstrates how to attach a new ear mold with the tube installed to a behind-the-ear hearing aid. Before you start, note which hearing aid and ear mold belong to the right ear and which belongs to the left ear. This will help you avoid accidentally placing the new ear molds on the wrong side. The right hearing aid will have a red marker on it, and the left hearing aid will have a blue marker on it. These markers can also be found inside the battery area of the hearing aid. To tell the ear molds apart, two basic landmarks of the ear mold will be reviewed. The canal portion is what goes in the ear canal. It can be identified by a small hole where the sound will enter the ear canal. The other part is the concha portion. This is a rounded semicircular part that will sit in the concha or bowl-shaped part of the ear. With the pre-installed tubes facing upward, hold the ear mold by the concha portion with 2 fingers. The canal portion should be facing inward. While holding the ear mold this way, the right ear mold will be in your right hand and the left ear mold will be in your left hand. The ear canal can be seen pointed to here, and the concha is the bowl-shaped area just behind the ear canal. Before you begin, take a photo of the hearing aid you are working on so you can reference it if needed. Remove the old ear mold and tubing from the hearing aid ear hook. This can be done by holding the plastic hook tightly and twisting the rubber tubing back and forth while pulling them apart. Next, put the new ear mold in the ear. The tubing should be pointed upward toward the top of the head. Next, place the hearing aid on the correct ear. Using a felt tip pen, mark the point on the tubing where it slightly overlaps the ear hook. Cut the tubing using scissors at the point that you marked. Install the new ear mold onto the hearing aid by pushing the tubing over the ear hook. When installed correctly, the canal portion of the ear mold should be facing toward the ear canal when the hearing aid is on the correct ear. Then, check the fit. An appropriately cut tube will allow the hearing aid to sit comfortably behind the ear. If the tubing is too long, you may notice a gap between the top of the ear and the ear hook. If this happens, cut it a little bit shorter. If the tubing is too short, you may see the hearing aid pull forward toward the face. In the event the tubing was cut too short, the ear mold will need to be retubed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to your local audiologist for help.